Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create PDF file on smartphone using Google Drive. This method works both on Android and iOS. So let's begin. I'm going to head to Google Drive application, and in any folder you will find the plus icon and you can click on scan document over here. And after clicking the scan document, your camera will pop up and then you will be able to take picture of anything you want to scan. So I'm taking a picture, and if I click on the picture, I'll be able to adjust or do anything with the picture accordingly. So I will adjust the corners, click on done, and then if I click on done over here, I'll now click save. And as you can see, my PDF file has been created. It's showing .pdf. If I click upload right over here, then my PDF file will be uploaded to Google Drive. So as you can see, I have made a PDF file using my camera only with Google Drive application. And if you already have an image that you want to turn into a PDF file, then you can also do that with Google Drive. For this, you will need to upload the image on Google Drive and then open the image. After that, click on the three dots on the upper right corner and then find the print option. So I'll click on print here, and then you have to click on share over here. For Android, while selecting printer, you have to select save as PDF, but for iPhone you have to select share over here, and then as you can see it's being shared as PDF document. You will have to click on save to files, and then on my iPhone I will save it. Now let's go to file manager to see that file. So as you can see, I'm in my file manager, and here is the image that was saved as a PDF file. In similar way, if you have any other documents that you want to transform into PDF, just like this doc over here, click on three dots and then you have to go to print option. And after that, in Android, in printer option, you select save as PDF, and for iPhone you have to select share, and then if you see PDF document, save to files, and then if you click on save, it will be saved on your phone and you will be able to access that file from your file manager. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.